Just to give you a tutorial on Canva, the first place you'll want to start is our Usborne Books and More home office branding website. If you have not already been added to this website, please ask a team leader to add you, and then you will need to await approval before you can access any of these awesome images. Scroll to the very bottom and you'll see logos for Canva, design elements for Canva, and book stack images for Canva. Click download and those will go to your computer. You've already downloaded the branding guide and you'll need to refer back to that. Once you've downloaded all of that, go ahead and save it into a file folder so it's easy to access on your computer. Then you can go to Canva, sign up for this free website to create all of your awesome graphics, because I don't know about you, but I really would like that spring script completed and polished. So I'm going to be working hard on creating our graphics and videos. So social media is where we're going to start. So click social media, background elements to choose from. Feel free to scroll through. It's a great place to start if you're just starting. Change it however you'd like, but we're not going to talk about those tonight. We're going to talk about your social media. You want to click uploads. All of those things that you just got from our branding website, you're going to click upload images, and click each one of those, choose it. It can upload multiple at a time, or another way to do it is just to drag it over into there. They'll magically appear right here for you, allowing you to create your custom designs. So these are great backgrounds that Home Office just recently showed us. So once you drag it over, make sure that it lines up with the white, or you'll be left with a white outline. So there's one background choice, or if we just want to start with a plain background, we can get like our bubbles going, and everything can be sized. And then we want to make sure we have our independent consultant logo clear and visible. And by clear and visible, they mean, don't put it right there. Maybe this is going to be a thank you. And I would never say thank you for hosting, simply because I would always say like, thank you, Jen, for hosting. When I'm creating custom graphics, if I'm doing it, I'm going to put the hostess's name on it. Go over to our fonts, get the Usborne fonts so that it's recognizable. Go ahead and change it to our brand colors. I already have mine input. To input the brand colors, all you have to do is click the plus and enter the hex colors. So for your branding site or your branding guide, just copy and paste the hex colors into there, and it will appear. And then for your fonts, your approved fonts, they're also in your branding guideline. So this is our main header that we use in Canva. This one's available in Canva. I couldn't find the core fonts in Canva. And then maybe I say, well, I want a banner behind that. You've got to remember that everything that you do in Canva is in layers. So you want to work from the bottom to the top. So what's going to happen when I put this banner over it is it's going to cover my words. Well, we don't want that. We want those words there. So we can just arrange that back, and then your words are there. And you can play around with it as you like. decide, no, we don't like that. Maybe we just want a simple shape in the back. So you click Elements, go to Shapes, and you see there's tons to choose from. You can make it transparent. Arrange that back. If maybe I want to search, because this is spring themed, maybe I want to add some flowers in there. So I'm going to type the word and just click enter. And then you can drag over any images that are there. And so that's a quick tutorial on how to kind of create your own graphics. If you are creating, let's say you want to create a banner, you would go to More, and scroll down to where it says Facebook event cover, different examples for you to use. And you can just start playing around with it. Same idea as the other social media post. You're still going to work in layers. I'm still going to want your consultant logo to be visible. And you can still search in here to add things. Maybe you want to add a bunch of spring books. Let's do that. So let's add our flowers again. And if you want to add in books, what we're going to do is we're going to go to your website and we're going to save the images. And let's say I want to put some new books on here, so I'm going to so people, haha, look, great Canva training video, that's what I'm doing now. Reminders. So you would right click and save this image. My computer's not letting me do it while I'm recording for some reason. So anyways, you save the image, and once you get that image saved, just like you saved your other images on Canva, anything that you save on your computer, you just click upload and then upload from. So here are ones like I had from earlier. So you can play around with it. So to save these, go to the Usborne, your website, and right click, save that image. Once it's saved to your computer, anything saved to your computer you can upload into Canva and then play around with placement and whatnot. So that's how to create a banner, and you've learned how to create a social media post. and how to get book covers. One other thing I'd like to show you is, thank you Casey for showing me, if you go to your brand, this is where you can enter the hex colors. So I just went over here and copied and pasted hex colors onto here. It looks like it would only allow me 3, and then after that I have to upgrade to the paid version, which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to continue to enter the hex colors for other ones. But that's a good shortcut where you can enter the fonts and things too. The last thing I want to show you is, and made them my own. So what I mean by that is, if it has the independent consultant logo, we are free to alter that. Of course, if it has the home office logo, we're not going to change it at all. But what I mean is I can go to elements, shapes, change that color so it's the same as the background. And then you're free to edit things however you see fit, and however works best for your party. So you can type in here, maybe you need another box for right there. I do this a lot for the welcome posts, the how-to post, the shopping post, a lot of them. So now you're free to click text, go over here, change it to whatever text you like. If you want it to be the branded colors. And then you can change it to, what if I need more time? Don't worry, maybe you want to say, again, Jen's party is open till, open till tonight. I'd probably change a lot of that, but you get the idea of how to work it. So there's a little tutorial about how to use Canva. Hopefully that helped you out. First, we started at our home office branding site of just choosing and downloading the different ones that said logos for Canva. And then once we did that, we saved it to a file, signed up for our Canva trial, our free Canva site, uploaded our images, clicked social media post, click upload all of your images that you want, and just play around with it. Drag it over and have fun. Thanks for joining me.